In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a hacked Facebook account. So I'll walk you through different steps to do so, and I'll tell you why you might consider deleting your hacked Facebook account. So follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find this video helpful, then consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's begin. So there are many reasons as to why you might consider deleting your hacked Facebook account. So number one is security risk. A hacked account means someone else has access to your personal information, including messages, photos, and even login credentials. So deleting the account cuts off the access and minimizes the potential for further damage. Number two, regaining control. So regaining access to a hacked account can be a lengthy process. So deleting the account lets you start afresh with a new account with stronger security measures. Another reason is privacy concerns. So the hacker might have already accessed and potentially even distributed your private information. So deleting the account limits the future misuse of your data. Another last reason is peace of mind. A hacked account can be a source of stress and worry. So deleting it can give you back sense of control and security. So now you know the reasons. Now let's go ahead and delete your hacked Facebook account. So the first solution is to log in to a Facebook account, but from your friends or relative account, or even your own new Facebook account. But I highly recommend using your own Facebook account. Now log in to that account. Now after logging, now the next step is to search for that hacked profile. So tap on that search icon here at the top. Then search for that account. Now after searching, tap on those three dots at the right. Then select the second option, find support or report. So tap on that. Now here under please select a problem, you select the second last option, I want to help. So tap on that option. Now here under please select a problem, you select the last option, hacked. So tap on that option. Then make sure you click on done here at the bottom. Now after doing that, you need to go back. Tap on those three dots once more. Then select find support or report once more. Now this time, you select posting inappropriate things. So tap on that option. You can select a photo, or you can submit without a photo or a post. Then make sure you click on the next button. Now you select harassment or any other reason. Now if you're using your own Facebook account that you created, you select me. But if you're using your friend's or relative account, you select a friend. Since I'm using my own Facebook account, so I'll select the first option. I'll select me, and then I'll submit. Okay. Now after doing that, now the second solution, you need to go ahead and open the browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open my Chrome browser. Now here on the search bar, just type in report an imposter account. Then you enter. So select the very first link. Now which of the following best describes the situation. So select the third option. Someone created an account pretending to be me or a friend. Then do you have a Facebook account? You select no. Is this account impersonating you? You select the first option. Now you need to fill your name, your contact email address, then full name of the imposter profile, the email address, and then submit a photo of your ID and make sure it's clear on both sides. Then link to profile for the imposter profile. Then here under additional info, you can just type in, please help me delete this account. or you can go ahead and add additional info. Now after doing that, make sure you send it, guys. You tap here at the bottom. So Facebook community team will help you delete that account after reviewing your information that you've just submitted. So with those solutions, you can easily delete a hacked Facebook account. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.